Ever wondered how people used to make a living before the digital age? Join us on a journey back in time, exploring the diverse jobs, wages, and the cost of living in a world untouched by social media. If you're as fascinated by history as I am, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more journeys through time. Now let's step into the world before social media. In the early 20th century, a booming era of craftsmanship and manual labor defined the job market. One popular profession was the switchboard operator, connecting calls manually in a world before smartphones. These skilled operators earned around $15 to $20 per week, a decent wage considering the cost of living was significantly lower than today. Imagine a time when skilled trades like blacksmithing, cobbling, and tailoring were not just occupations but respected crafts. Blacksmiths could earn about $2 a day, while skilled tailors brought in $20 to $30 a week. The bustling marketplaces were filled with street vendors selling everything from fruits to handmade goods. It was a hands-on, face-to-face economy. Now let's talk about the cost of living. In the 1920s, a loaf of bread cost around 10 cents, and a gallon of milk was 56 cents. Rent for a modest apartment, approximately $15 per month. It was a different world, where hard work and dedication shaped livelihoods. Jobs like elevator operators, ice deliverymen, and milkmen were essential, providing services we take for granted today. As we marvel at the opportunities and connections social media brings, let's not forget the fascinating tapestry of professions that once defined our world. Join us in appreciating the journey from switchboards to smartphones, where every job had its unique story in the pre-social media era. Before we wrap up this mesmerizing journey, I want to hear from you. Comment below with your thoughts on how these bygone professions compare to the hustle and bustle of today's gig economy. And if you haven't already, hit that notification bell to join our community of history enthusiasts. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and until next time, stay curious.